So we all know Airtable as a CRM tool, but do you know you can actually host your business solely in Airtable, from spreadsheets to CRM operations, all the way to automations, forms, and interfaces. All this are possible within Airtable. So now imagine running a cleaning business and having all your operations within a single source of truth, which is Airtable, without any external tool or having to hop from one spreadsheet to the other. I'm going to show you how in this video. Stick around to the end while I walk you through a custom CRM database that I built for a cleaning business solely within Airtable, all operations within, without external tools attached. Service business, managing clients, bookings, team members across disconnected spreadsheets can be a real challenge. But in Airtable, we can build a single source of truth, an relational database that streamlines everything. Now, how is this possible? I will walk you through the process. So now on my screen is a database that I built for a cleaning business. Now, the first thing I did was to design this database by creating dedicated tables for each aspect of this business. So each table has specified information that fits right into it. Now I started with the client table, which contain all the information that the business needs from the client: name, contact details, and then probably any other thing, any other valuable information that is needed from the client. The second table I created is the cleaners table, which contains information about the cleaners, their contact details, the services they offer, and their availability. Now the third table is the catalog, the service catalog table. Now the aim of this table is to keep track of the service offerings and then changes that are made along the way as the business grows. The next table is the cleaner schedule table. Now the idea of the cleaner schedule table is to know which cleaner is available, the time slots of their availability, and any other information needed in terms of rendering services to customers. And then the last table is the bookings table, which is where everything comes together. So in this bookings table, we are able to reconcile the clients with the cleaners according to their schedules and according to the services requested by the clients. Now this keeps our data clean and organized, and this way we have everything in a single source of truth. Now you can also go the further mile by attaching your payment details, tracking disputes or complaints. This is possible, but for this video we're just going to use the framework of an exact replica of what I built for my clients. Now linking this table together is where Airtable truly shines. Now let's see a real life scenario. By creating these connections, we can seamlessly see information in one table, in another table, and I'm going to be showing you how this works. So this is the bookings table, and like I said, we have 5 tables: clients, cleaners, service catalog, cleaners schedule, and the bookings table. So here in the bookings table, I don't need to go over to the clients table to pick the information I need about which client falls under this booking, and this happens by the relational database powers of Airtable. I've been able to interlink my clients table, my cleaners table, the services requested, and then I have everything encompassed here in the booking table. So in my booking table, I can see all the information that I need without having to go from table to table. I can see time slots, I can see the booking status, I can see the total payments made, I can see the cleaner schedule, I can see everything from here without having to move from table to table. I can see the client's request, I can even see the cleaner. So everything reflects here, and this is because I have linked my table. Now this is the beauty of Airtable, and this is the reason why Airtable is a relational database. So as a business owner, having your business structured in Airtable and using Airtable as your single source of truth saves you a lot of time. It streamlines your business, and the effects are profound because any change that is made creates a ripple effect across the tables available in your database, so you don't have to struggle with trying to reconcile differences. Everything works seamlessly from end to end. There is no break in the workflow. So this also eliminates manual interruptions, which definitely causes errors and inefficiencies. So there you have it, a custom database for a cleaning service. It was built entirely within Airtable. Now this is also possible for your business. So this structured approach gives the business owner a clear bird eye view of what is going on without having to scramble from spreadsheet to spreadsheet. So if you're looking to streamline your business, be it Airtable custom solution, building tables, interlinking tables, send me a message and I am here to ensure that your operational efficiency is as streamlined as possible. My name is Pamela and I am a workflow automation specialist and a low-code, no-code developer. Thanks for watching.